Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the SONY MDRXB650BT wireless stereo headsets. So these are Bluetooth headphones and you can connect them to your phone. If I'm doing the washing up or doing the house chores, I can just plug them in and have no wires or cords in the way. The amazing thing about these is that they hold charge for 30 hours, which I think is amazing. And they also have a 10-meter range. So included in the box we have some instructions, and we also have a USB cable which we can use to charge our headphones. These headphones come in 3 different colours: red, black and blue. They don't come with a case, so we actually ordered mine from eBay, which were very cheap. I got them for about £5, and the headphones themselves, I got them on sale for £60, which I think is very cheap. Normally they're about £80 or £90 on Amazon, so I snapped them up when they went on sale. So I've had these headphones for about 3 weeks now, and I've literally been using them every single day. If you do plan on getting these headphones, I have to warn you that they do take some time to get used to, because they are quite snug, a little bit tight when you first wear them, but you do get used to them, and they're extremely loud, which is why I love them. So as you can hear, they're very loud. If you want them to be, you can control the volume from the headset itself. You also have a mic here for your phone calls, and you have the power button, and you can also skip the tracks from here, answer the phone as well. And they're also padded at the top for extra comfort.